Yeah, good day, my people. This one I Boss God's Power. And I get with me here a very special person, important person. You know, this person, I remember you get one family where I go that time. This woman, they labor. The woman, don't they cry? They always tell her, say, push, push. When they just push, now the baby come out. The first question the baby ask, maybe I say, Mommy, where is Omo Jesu? Now your mama say Omo Jesu is there. Say yes, I'm in the right place. Now say we don't hear this Omo Jesu. Now this Omo Jesu now be the CEO, General Overseer, the founder of OJ Production, OJ Entertainment, and the person now we get here on show. Say many of us we don't hear say I want to see this person now. He here, Aki, Akon. Now here we see Omo Jesu on stage with me, my brother.
I greet you, brother.
I celebrate you.
I greet
you. Say, I don't say I will see you one day. Fortunately, you can't come my show.
No more.
Nice to meet you.
I greet you, brother. Respect.
Now the Omo Jesu on the CEO. Now this man, now he want cause hold up traffic for people here. They cause traffic for many stars. People they jealous am. People even they hang them. People even they hawk transformer because of her. Maybe this man now. You are free to do anything you want to do now. Just now. Do it to her because we don't look for her. It's 1/3. 1/3. But not be for negative or for positive 1/3.
Confirm.
My brother, you're welcome.
I greet you.
I beg, I don't need to tell them about you. I want you to still open your mouth, tell them about you. Just tell them who you are,
Okay,
your name and about you.
All my brothers and sisters, I greet everybody for the day. We thank God for all He has done in our life. You understand? Say sometimes when God created us in this world, you understand me? He say, go the world and multiply. You understand me? And do something that can make people remember things. You understand me?
Yeah.
If you have something, if you get something from man, we be say you want to do, where say man, if you favor everybody, bring the idea, command, start and people will join. Everybody will be happy. You understand me?
True.
Confirm this me, OJ Entertainment. You understand me? Don't be say maybe the money today like that. We be say maybe we only like they throw away money up and down or wherever. We have many of our brothers will be cement. They're into music and they not get. There's no left and right to move on with the music. You understand me?
Yeah.
From that's why now we OJ now come and cement mostly enter show production. You understand me? They organize shows, all those coming up artists, who fulfill the breed their art, so that if he perform today for this show, tomorrow, if he they watch a video clip, you go they know where a mistake they. You take correct himself. You understand me? Today and tomorrow can never be the same.
Yeah.
Understand me? That's why I entered this industry since 2009. You understand? All the way from Italy. You understand me? I don't work with person like Osapoto Entertainment, like Obuduwemi of Milan. You understand me? We don't bring up so many boys up. We'll be cement now. All of them are stars. You understand me? Even when the Spy Vision they come up, all those things they manifest too. You understand me?
Yeah.
We see them among of people. You understand me? They call them for shows and those things are all. You understand me? But the way all those coming up artists be now, the Spy Vision, the Manifesto and others, they don't do things just like the way all those coming up artists they come now. But because they loyal. But if you not loyal, you don't forget what you get.
That one.
You understand me? That's how we start all those programs.
Yeah, before when I hear Omo Jesu.
Yeah.
But before that, I can't hear OJ production. I say, what is the meaning of OJ production? I say na OJ na O stand for Omo.
See, J stand for Jesu.
But Jesu for English na Jesus.
Yes.
So now you Mary born how you take get that name?
No, that is man. My real name is Omolorun.
Moloro.
You understand?
Wow.
Yes, but if you say more approve the name, you can call me Omo Jesu. You understand me? But when I start my entertainment industry, that made me approve the name to 2 alphabet. You understand?
Yeah.
O stand for Omo.
Yeah.
When J stand for Jesu, that's why OJ Entertainment. You understand? Now we bring those 2 alphabet art that. You understand me?
Yeah, very perfect, very perfect. I love that. Now here are my people. You know, people they say Omo Jesus. Our person will just give himself Jesus. Yes, people they bear Jesus.
Normal,
People they bear Jesus.
definitely.
The meaning of Jesus for Yoruba na Jesu.
Normal,
The meaning of Jesus for Benin na Jesu.
normal.
Even the meaning of Jesus for Isha na Jesu Christi.
I mean, just the Christ, that Son of God.
Yeah,
That Son of God.
So now the name na Omo Jesu, aka OJ Production, OJ Entertainment. Now this man they cause hold up. You see wetin they talk? If they bring out upcoming artists, now in they do things wey be say, but more leave that one first. Sir, what be your motive? I mean, what make you enter this? Say as you just fresh like today bread. You don't see where they do bread today. I don't go home for today now. Where they will just do bread. Obviously, me just chop everything. But you don't know they chop you now, but I don't feel chop you. So I don't call me vampire.
Don't be like.
But as you be now, but what make you just enter entertainment industry?
Yeah, what make us enter entertainment industry? You just like say, man, I'm a happy man.
Yeah, I see for your body.
Yeah, I be person of all people. You understand? I don't want maybe say everybody. If you see me, I throw away face. I see you, you throw away face. You understand? Yeah. Any person that make up your mind to be as an entertainment, everybody is your friend.
That is it.
You understand? Because you make everybody happy. You understand? Even though say me and you even the quarrel now. You understand? If you get kind of shows where somebody will organize, maybe now another entertainment, maybe another onto entertainment. We feel mix there. The third person will settle me and you.
Yeah.
Onto happiness. You understand? That is one side. The second side, they say, man, all those coming up artists, they get talent of music, but they not get the finance.
Yeah. Nobody to promote them.
No, nobody to promote them for those kind of things. But they get that IQ. That's why we entertainment started to bring all those coming up artists up. Now
don't be say God just say Omo Jesu. You see that brother na upcoming artist. Go bring them up.
No man. That the more we they organize shows, they put up for posters, they perform on stage, then you come to know where for they get mistake. You understand? So that somebody when Pitin start to the waka, he get the way he wanted the waka, they go first time if you fall. But the next day, if you want waka, you will still the perfect past yesterday.
Yeah, because you correct them.
Confirm.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Now be all those things. And those things, this show, we show entertainment, show beat, we they make all those artists, they make their brain the sharp. That the more we they organize shows, the more they feel get talent of say me they compose music.
That is that, yeah.
You understand me? Say man, show beat people, you understand? Say that they always invite me for shows.
Yeah.
I got to before I go the next show, I got to get another music. You understand? So that you feel sit down, the reason himself. You understand?
Yeah.
To do composing about all those things. Those are the new coming up artists where he lawyer.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Many coming up artists, many they're not the lawyer. You understand? But what you cannot do, you see someone that bringing you up of those things. You understand me? What do you want to do? You got to be calm.
You humble yourself.
You understand me?
Yeah, you humble yourself.
Yes, so that you do something that will make that person to have joy, to do many things. You understand? But all those new coming up artists, if you know they respect show promoter, you know they respect DJ, eh? You don't feel go anywhere.
You can't go anywhere.
You understand?
You know
You don't feel go anywhere. Show promoter, any coming up artist, all those the Timaya, the Davido, the Tubaba, they feel lawyer.
They start from somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They lawyer. You understand me? But for instance, say they not they lawyer, they not fit come to the stage where they so. You understand? Okay, you know, you not get what you fit. Maybe you fit get the money, but you not get the connection. How you want to get name?
That is it.
You understand? Okay, you are talking about say you're an artist now. You be artist confirmed. Sabi compose, don't get music for YouTube. Not be by that one. You understand? But show promoter get contact pass you. Show big. Any artist where you need. You get the way to take press the button, the artist go come. You understand? Yeah, just like one coming up artist now with that new sign. Like if I'm not mistaken, 6 months ago now. I don't use that to feature like 2 artists. You understand? Yeah. Like Chocolate. I don't use that to feature Orisha Femi and Don VS.
Yeah, that one, yes. That one carry me go this other question I been want to ask you because I see, you they try. I they see your work, I they see your handwork, I they see many, many show where you they do. Where we say they invite many people, but this one I want to really talk about. And get one show where you get at hand now. I see him, I receive and somebody sent that to me. So I see him. Where we say you even feature Don Cliff.
Yeah.
Now that Chocolate, I still see him. So why may you tell us about that program?
Okay, that is my first program of the year, 2020.
Wow.
You understand?
First program.
We got to start from somewhere.
Yeah.
You understand? Even last time I do All Stars competition.
You start early this year.
You understand me?
Yeah.
This Don Cliff, I don't know how God created that boy. You understand? That guy is a medical doctor of music.
Wow.
Don Cliff.
Medical doctor. You know what that one mean?
You understand me?
You be doctor of music.
Yes, I don't know where. I don't even know where that guy for the get in music. You understand? And the music, it give person
inspiration.
Yes. If you dey listen, go be like say they give you injection.
I dey hear music.
You understand me?
Even sometimes if I dey play music, if I dey sleep,
confirm.
I go dey hear am for inside dream.
Confirm. Now I say, man, more you Don Cliff to start the first program of the year. That is on the 29th of this very February. The last
Don Cliff, anywhere where you did Don Cliff, you just say your music now in the heat so.
This is the poster.
You don't mean it.
Yeah, and the poster be this.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see the man.
So, you understand me? This is Don Cliff. It will be live in Bilbao on the 29th of February, the last Saturday of the month. You understand me? This Chocolate I'm talking about.
You
understand me? Them NC Peter, them Osas Beliko Koyewa, them Maswe. There's a lot of artists, NCP.
Even Oyibo boy still did their magics.
You understand me?
Yeah.
See, who is the baddest DJ? This guy, he be like saying that California, they for go learn his spinning. You understand me?
Yeah.
That is DJ Wave.
Yeah, this DJ Wave, I don't know, I know the guy. I love the guy very
well. Before I get DJ Wave contact, it take me almost about 2 months.
You know why?
You understand me? That is the baddest DJ.
Because he's a man of integrity.
No man.
Very humble and respectful person.
Well.
Yeah.
You understand me? When I reason and when I hear something from DJ Wave, I say no.
Okay, now what will be your target now for this show?
Man, my target about this show, No. I want everybody for the year now. Don Cliff is coming to come and give us inspiration. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, there are many people don't they try. Many people don't they try. May they know this guy for face to face. May they even see him for face to face. You understand me? I say, man, no problem. Well, a lot of people, a lot of my fans, that they call me and say, OJ, why you never bring Don Cliff now? You understand me? I tell them, say, hold on, we will use that one to start first program of the year. Understand me? That be this 29. So, the show we hold by Bolueta in Bilbao here. But Don Cliff is coming down on the 28th, on Friday, in Bilbao Airport. You understand? I will keep putting on live video, everything and all. You understand me?
Yeah.
Artists, we know they come. I know they play that show. That is me for you. Artist. If I the organize show, say I know say the artist, not the come.
Yeah.
I know they organize the show.
Yeah.
You understand me? Even Don Cliff now, even in your ticket where you want to come down, they don't even there yet. You understand me?
Yeah.
Because if I play that show tomorrow, my fans, they will not believe me if I say that I want to organize another show. You understand?
Yeah.
They're not going to believe me. You say last time the artists where you say they come, you not come. For that, I don't spoil my entertainment. You understand me? But that is
my people, you hear that? Na person will be say God just create and say yes.
Na Don Cliff ticket be this.
Wow, that is good.
It's come down 28.
That is good. You see now. I don't see myself. Understand? Now man will be say God create to they promote people. Understand? But before then, I want me to say we'll first go on short break. After we come back from break, then we'll give you more story. Stay tuned.
Of Christ, I'm unstoppable.
PX Chocolate.
It's Joel on the bed.
I see me living life. You know me say I not start tomorrow. I see me in my car. You know me say I not dread before. Bad belly make you go. No need to envy me. Bad belly make you go. Jackie shy me. Anything you do, anything you say. People they talk, they run their mouth. They don't know the time you they so far. Now that they come to the envy you. Ebelebe, seviya ọ̀pẹ ní kékin alágún ẹ̀wẹ̀. Ebelebe, seviya ọ̀pẹ ní kékin alágún.
The Spirit of Christ, I'm unstoppable.
Yeah, welcome back, my people. This one now, our boss, God's power, and the person where I still get from will be saying the talk since now be Omo Jesu, aka OJ Production and OJ Entertainment, the CEO and General Overseer of OJ Entertainment. Now I see so, no be spiritual. When I see so, we koro live and direct, my brother.
Welcome, we are welcome. I greet you.
You know, you see, say God create and where? God create am on Sunday. God just wake up, He just create am on Sunday. Say, also I just create you special so that on Sunday I go send so that all those upcoming artists will be say I create them. Now you go they promote them. So now be this one.
Confirm.
See I'm here.
Respect all my fans.
Nah. My brother. Get one question I want to ask you. This one no, this one don't let her verse you.
No. I know the verse. I will show bid.
I stand for your body.
We know the verse.
For your body.
No man.
For body. You know say people don't they talk. You know, so I tell you say you they cause hold up for the bow.
I will.
People don't they complain, no, don't they talk. Even me myself, I they jealous. You know all those kind of top artists where you they bring come. How you say they get them?
Definitely. Now waiting with up work through on for a long time ago.
You they do ritual?
No, not be ritual. That made me tell you say I don't enter this industry since 2009. Since 2019 this time, how many years be that? That is 11. That is almost about 11 years now.
Yeah, 2009. Yeah.
Confirm.
2009.
That is not contact. Understand me? Many contact day we artists not get, we promoter get her. You understand me? As Terry G they come now, they don't update me. Say Terry G they come. You understand me? I don't use a lot of artists. all of them know. There's no artist where they come from Nigeria where they know they audit me. Understand me? Another my baddest promoter see day. You understand me? Maybe on a very good day, I'll see invite her come over one day. Maybe we see day together. That's Ugo Metain, Ugo Production. You understand me? I mean we can gather collaborate with J Mattis. J Mattis take on Bilbao. And I mean we to go around that shows. You understand me? Sometimes if I look and say man, the show when I know feel where be say you want to envy me.
Yeah, only you know feel.
No man, then I'll call my partner. You understand me? That's why I say they do one. You understand me? Now what he make OJ this strong for the entertainment reach like that. And I don't get contact. And before I get all those contacts, I don't know what I don't spend. You understand me? But most of people believe say, why OJ? You go you this poor money, all those things and all that. You understand me? But they don't know, say man, with that, you know they spend money, you know if you get contact.
That is it.
You understand? But that one not me. Maybe my children not school. You understand me? But now the journey where you tell your God. You understand?
Yeah.
Now be that. I know they sing, but I like to promote artists. Just like that boy when I say I don't new sign so chocolate.
Yeah.
You understand me? I see the way that boy be. Now they know I work on this boy. For the few times when I tell the work on now, the boy they get joy and he don't get name.
Yeah,
Small.
my people no, the person who just mentioned chocolate, when I see the music, and I play for background just now. The person that another talented soul we say God create, that be that one. See, for this Europe, we get a lot of talented people we say God create. Well, so that most time, pride not go let us discover our talent. Pride not go let us discover our talent. Na me no pass. Understand? You know, we not feel humble ourselves. Understand? Before person we say we not say he go feel promote us. Understand? So if you want maybe say we'll go far, we need to humble ourselves. Not to humble ourselves. It is. So but before we go, I want maybe say una go hear at least little advice from the only Omo Jesu OJ Production. Now tell me, what will be advice we say you want to give our people?
The advice we want to give our people, you understand me? My father, if I call him in the morning, I still get that. Understand me? Even October last year, my father celebrated 95 years.
Wow, 95 years?
Yes.
He never died?
No. No, yeah, you
Sorry,
want not talk him again.
No, I don't want to kill him. My mouth, I beg.
No, not talk him.
I bet he brothers and his sister wanna forgive me. I just they ask.
You understand me? Why? If you follow God way, people feel they talk about you, say that person a bad person, or those things. The more the person know they talk about you, God not feel they bless you.
That is it.
You understand me? If somebody tell you, see, if everybody tell say you too good, allow, wash your back well.
I tell you.
You understand me? But the only advice when I get for our people, personal, when I get self-discipline. That any human will not get self-discipline, it will be hard before thing they work hard. Before thing they work good for her. Suppose get your own self-discipline, self-happiness. Understand me? If you not there happy, you not there happy for yourself, man. You can't say me woman will you put for us, may can't give you happiness. Or you can't say me outside that give you happiness.
It go hard.
You understand me? You suppose get yourself happiness. That is for general people. You understand me? If you get something, your brother come ask you. You understand me? If you not feel borrow on that thing, tell her say, brother, out of €5 we come ask, brother, take this €1, go find money, Jonah. You understand me?
Yeah.
That one, it will make God bless you more. Not be say the money there with you sit down on top of the money, you go ask up, say you not get. I got one, the punishment of that.
And with that way you the person still remember you tomorrow.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, now most of people they say that person I wish. They don't know what it bring down wish. They don't know. If I they jealous you, I be wish.
Of course. Of course.
You understand me?
Of course. Point did that one. Yeah.
No man, if I dey jealous you, I be wish.
You be winch.
No man.
So that means no jealous me. If you jealous me
And
now,
I be winch.
Omo Jesse, you be winch.
No man, come on.
I like that, my people.
If I dey jealous you, I be wish. You understand me?
Yeah.
If I see this, that you wear this shirt now, fine. If I go find and say I don't see am buy, I tell, but afar, wait for see this shirt, I need that. You understand me? Then you give me the way.
You go find
But for me to come meet you, say me, I have to say, brother, where you for see am, I will dey package myself. That is now my own mind now don't they judge me. You understand me? For that, I be wish.
I like that.
Yes, somebody, your friend say and say you dey progress. You know they happy with you. Now wish. Not be only person where they fly for not be wish. You understand me?
Essentially.
Food where you know say you not fit eat. Not give your friend. If you give your friend, you be wish.
You be winch. Hey.
You understand me?
Una hear that?
You understand me? Yes. Wetin you know say you not fit do, road where you know say you not fit pass, you dey want make your friend go there.
Even drink when you not fit drink, you give your friend a drink and you be winch.
winch. Let me talk on OJ production. You understand me? But I'm gonna try, I'm gonna get self-discipline. I'm gonna get happiness of life.
That is it.
You understand me? You understand me? This life now here we for come meet the money. Now we for come meet everything. Where we come meet for this earth. Now this earth will still live and put.
Now we'll still live and
Okay, you understand me? Okay, some people now to hear the same money go Nigeria, send money go Nigeria, and they know. But you, where they work the money, you know feel they eat money. You understand me? You yourself not feel for you to even go buy something better thing say you want wear for yourself, you go dey hard. What about you where they work the money? Why can't you get that man that they chop your money well? You understand me? When we try, when we dey help each other, just like the way we take the do. I know some people they vex for me, but I don't care. Number one, not be person they work my money for me. You understand me? Now God they provide the money.
No, this thing what you do today, understand? This thing what you talk. Anybody will say they vex for you, the person are winch. You understand?
Come further.
Don't be OJ talker now, and boss now you talker. Anybody will vex what you talk today. The person now winch because now true what you talk.
Confirm.
English will say in every element of any rumors or talk, there is always fact.
Confirm.
So now true you talk.
Yes. Maybe another day when we will come again, me with a bond.
Yes.
I can't tell una the way choir master say they tell choir mister say Carol see me by 12.
You see the kind of agbon slap where I like put. I love that.
Yeah.
Professor Cotton has say even some lecturers say see me in my office. Even some person they just say they say sister can see me in my office for deliverance service.
Wow.
My people una hear that.
Yeah.
Una hear that, my people. You know I love waiting they talk. Understand? You know say my friend always dey talk one thing. I love my friend. I don't want to mention his name. Now my church member, now my leader for church. I like our way. He talk one thing. He say one day mosquito travel go far. Mosquito come back to him father. Come tell us say, daddy. I say where I go, you just dey clap for me. You just dey clap for me. I father tell say now lie oh. Just thank God say they not kill. Those people they clap for you. Now to kill you, now they do. Tell say they not kill you. I like waiting he talk. Understand? No be everybody will say they laugh with you for front. No be them. For your back, you know what they plan for your back.
No man, they feel poison you.
They feel poison you.
Confirm.
Like he talk. Food where you know say you not feel eat, you can't give your brother, your sister may eat time. You be winch.
Pure winch.
If you vex for waiting we do today, you be winch. If you vex for waiting a whole OJ production talk, you be winch. So my brother, my sister, I beg. I want make you take note. This Ogbonge program, this Ogbonge show, no miss am. 10 euro na small thing. I beg. How much be? How be this thing, my
brother? Like gate fees, like 10 card.
10 card.
If you need personal VIP,
yeah,
50 card. for
Okay.
only one person.
Yeah.
But if you need, say, you want to come with your friend and everything,
Yeah.
you come, 3 people, €100. If you remove €30, come up for inside €100 for gate fees. Not be €70 to carry the VIP.
Yeah.
You understand me? That's so the matter be. You understand me? Brother and sister, who not get girlfriend, come with your landlady. If you be man, say you not get girlfriend, you come with your landlady. But if you be woman, say you not get boyfriend, come with your landlord. But if you not even get at all, come. OJ Production. I'll use one for regalia for you.
I will take care of you.
Yes.
I love that.
Even Don Cliff, he's still coming with 4.
I get wife. Oh.
Eh?
I get wife.
No, not be you. You get wife. You come with your wife. If you carry Carol, come place there where they put Carol
They
for the
put
shows.
Carol.
You understand me? Bilbao, Victoria, South Tabasia, Papilonia, Durango,
Gogelema.
all of you now.
Makalele.
I invite you now. You understand me? More will come join. More come join OG now. More come more flesh together.
I like that.
I beg. You understand me? Let me still organize and say me everybody they happy. All my fans. I know so I never fail me before. I never keep fail me. That 2020 with this so. After this one, now hear another.
See, my point, I want to run, I want to do, man. You know, see, my mouth not good. I mean, may God just also not black beg. My mouth may still help me for my mouth. See, if you want to make that thing, you know, they hard though. See, just go one kind. Now, most of all we say at least we still know now. Just go one fine can come now. As I also they say, see, I want to tell you, just do one. If you feel do one, it go work for you. You come back, call my number. Say, that trick you give me work. What do they say? All those ones. You know, they will give you. I think they will give you 20 cards. They will give you 20 cards. At least 10 euros is enough for you to say, understand? You know, regular.
Normal now. If people don't say artist, none day. Say you want to go club, normal club.
Yeah.
You dey pay €10.
They pay 10 euros.
You understand me?
Claro.
What about say your own lovely brother, your Nigeria artist, they come.
And from you know, say from here where we did now, Nigeria and abroad though.
Confirm.
You see my mouth now, I go get my mouth. Understand? So our brother is coming from abroad, Don Cliff.
Yes.
Understand? I beg, more.
Yes. And DJ Wave all the way from California. DJ Wave. Get ready, baddest.
They can't Hamatan Wave, eh?
That guy.
Hamatan Wave.
That guy took the weight.
You know, say DJ Wave, na person will be saying that wave will be saying, come, where Jesus say, can.
Now you stop me. Now you stop when erosion they carry me come Europe. When the wave want take me, DJ Wave bring me back after. He said not be that side. He said you are going to Europe. Now DJ Wave, use that wave come.
I don't know that you hear me. They say now you be the person will be say it can't they happen for disciple. Now Jesus can't come in. Don't be say if you want carry Peter sick for inside sea. DJ Wave, they say now you be cause commotion for inside Red Sea, but Jesus can't say come.
If you get birthday party, you want to do baby dedication, you want to do marriage, anything.
DJ Wave, one bed.
I beg, Mona they call DJ Wave.
One bed.
Ojasi.
One bed. One bed. My people, if you want any promo, you see the number with this screen. Now Omo Jesu direct. If you not feel call land direct because he's a very busy man. Very, I know him. Very, very busy. If you know say you not feel rich, but send them. Anytime we say you take come and you will see your message. Send a message for WhatsApp. He will reply you. So if you need the help, you know, you get many ways we say we will feel help you. So now here we say we'll run the curtain. I beg, more subscribe for Agbons TV.
Sharp.
For more to read.
He never talk finish.
Understand?
That because they know they talk finish. Get some kind of little word we want give you now. Understand me?
Those ones
the way mama tell the chop basket mat, I never hear that word. I want to tell you another day. Don Cliff, please get ready. Paris Vasco or Spain is
we are waiting for you.
Don Cliff, the medical doctor of music. Baddest.
Don Cliff.
Yeah, OJ Entertainment.
Aki Zentu.
Don Cliff.
Benny.
Yes.
You the yana?
Yes. Confirm.
Here you come.
Tav.
Aki, here you come. We are waiting for you.
Yes. OJ Entertainment present Don Cliff live in Bilbao on the 29th of February, the last Saturday of the month. Gate fees is €10. If you want to go for VIP is 300 euro. If you need your personal VIP, self VIP, then you pay 50 euro. You get yourself VIP. All my brothers and sisters, let's come together and flex. I respect OJ Entertainment. I greet everybody. Respect, man.